Give it in this crowd. Austin, Texas, split the seas. Split the seas like Moses up in this bitch. Hell yeah. Okay, split up. What's up, everyone? How are we doing today? Good morning. How are we doing today? Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Hey, Ernie, stop flirting. Good to help me with this. Thanks, buddy.
He's not flirting.
All right, thank you. All right, what's up, Austin, Texas? How are we doing today? Good morning.
Andy!
All right, this is what I want to do. I want to do some Soul Train up in this motherfucker tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. This guy's going first. This guy's tripping his dick off right now. I like that. All right, this is what we're gonna do. One, get in the front over there. Get in the front. Keep those glasses on. All right, 2 at a time. You will strut your dick in the parking lot of the Mohawk Amphitheater tonight. So you will come here, Soul Train this bitch. I'll start this bitch actually. 1 at a time, one side, just like a fucking bar mitzvah. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? No. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on, keep going. Oh, we see you. Jesus. Save some pussy for the rest of us. Come on. Shred that shit. Hell yeah. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Bring it down. That was the whitest fucking Soul Train ever, and I loved it. Everyone, take a knee. Hippie, take a knee. I know that. Even the guy just trying to get pussy, take a knee. Thank you. I just wanted to see you take a knee. Stand back up. You just got Kaepernicked. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone spread out a little bit. Spread out. You know, this whole Kanye thing got me inspired, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you. We're throwing a bar mitzvah in every goddamn city on this tour, ladies and gentlemen. So, hold hands with each other. Hold hands. Okay. When I say left, everyone's circling me left like I'm the Holy Moses. When I say right, you're circling right. Are you fucking ready, Austin, Texas, or what?